Take a ride in the 2023 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, roof rails, trailering package, daytime running lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.